Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of QR code on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Discord app and you can click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we click on Play Store. You will search about Discord and then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your